negligence and pure economic loss, and psychiatric injury. Tutorial 1, Negligence and Duty of Care, provided an overview of the general principles relating to the duty of care as developed by the House of Lords in Caparo Industries. In certain types of claim, the application of the duty of care has been modified. This tutorial provides an overview of the application of the duty of care in claims for damages arising from psychiatric injury or for pure economic loss. Psychiatric injury. A psychiatric injury may be suffered by a primary victim, being a person exposed to a risk of physical injury and who suffers psychiatric injury as a result. A secondary victim, being a person not exposed to a risk of physical injury, but who nevertheless was witness to some personal injury suffered by another, or who held the belief that some such personal injury had been suffered by another. Rescuers of primary victims, or those who may believe themselves to have been responsible for some injury suffered by another person, or which may have been suffered by another person. It has been recognised that in a claim for psychiatric, as opposed to physical injury, account needs to be had of the fact that, in certain circumstances, the risk of the claimant being exposed to psychiatric injury may be more remote than the application of the test in Caparo Industries would otherwise permit.